Welcome to the new Baker Hunt website. I've got a quick tutorial here for you on how to purchase a class on our new format. First thing I'd like to point out is our accessibility widget on the bottom left hand of the screen. I'm going to actually use the bigger cursor so it's easier to follow what I'm doing, but feel free to check out all of the other options on this widget. Otherwise, let's go and look at the above. So I can see that we've got the same layout in terms of drop-down menus. I know what class I want to take though, so I'm going to go to the search bar, and I am really interested in gnocchi. So let's go to a gnocchi class. All right, we've got scratch gnocchi and chicken piccata. That's the one. I'm going to bring my niece to this class. This is an intergen class in our kitchen. All right, we can see all the same information as before. We've got a picture of what we're going to make. We've got the title of the class, who it's for. So this is intergenerational, so it's for youth 9 to 12 that are accompanied by an adult. Date and time of the class, a description, so on and so forth. So I want to take this class. So I'm going to go over here to register. Click on register. So we need to buy tickets, right? So we're buying tickets to a class. And because it's intergen, I need to get one adult and one youth, all right? And for our intergen classes, it needs to be one adult with each youth. So if I wanted to bring two kids, I need to bring two adults, but it's just going to be me and my niece. So let's do this next step. All right, so we click next. We're going to give the names of the adult attendee. That's the one we're working on right now. You can see that here. Attendee number 1, adult ticket. That's going to be me, and this is going to be my email, and my phone number, my date of, or year of birth rather. We've switched this up. We don't need your entire birthday. We are just interested in the year. That is not when I was born, but we're going to go with it. I don't have any food allergies. My emergency contact is 911. All right. I am not a returning student. I work here. Anyways, yes, I will do returning student. I agree to the terms and conditions for myself. Okay, scrolling down even further, we can see the name of the child, right? So this is the children's ticket we need to buy. So let's do this person. Obviously, this is a fake email, and my niece's name is not niece. She is not the same age as me. That would be strange, but we're just filling this out for an example. No allergies. I'm going to put parent, which is my brother, and his phone number. We do need a name and a phone number. She is not a returning student. This is her first time. And she also agrees to the terms and conditions, which again, you can click on this link and review those at any time. Click next. All right. This is just to kind of summarize what's going on. We're buying a ticket for a class. Ignore this entire section right here. We'll do a payment method later. We're going to add to cart. All right, it's as easy as that. You've given us all the information that we need to successfully put you in our class roster. Now, if I go up to my shopping cart, up at the top right, we can click and double check all the things that we've got in there. Looks like I was shopping already. I've got a Greek baking ticket for one adult. I guess Margaretta's coming back for that class. And then we've got our intergenerational class here, the scratch gnocchi with chicken piccata. So I have my adult ticket with my name on it and my youth ticket with my niece's name on it. All right. From here, say, all of a sudden you decide, maybe I don't want to take Greek baking. So I'm going to check this radio button here, and it's going to remove Greek baking from there. Okay. Now, if you have an oops and you didn't mean to do that, just click on undo. All right, let it think for a second, and then it's going to pop it back into your cart. All right, but again, I don't want it, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Now from here, if I have any coupons or gift cards, I would enter that code here. Scroll down. Take a look at my subtotal. I'm buying just the gnocchi class. Don't worry about this shipping, right? We're not going to ship a class to you, but if you were to buy clay, for example, or a t-shirt from our gift shop, you would have to pick it up here at Baker Hunt, and that's just indicating that here. Right? Here's my total. Go here to proceed to checkout. This is where I can do our billing information. All right. Scroll down. Pretend I've put all that in there. If I'd like to create an account, I can do that, and then it makes it easier. Next time I can come in and it will save my address information, all of my billing information here. It will not save your credit card information though, so just be aware of that. Down here, I can double check my my shopping list here. So my order is going to have an adult and a youth ticket for that gnocchi class. Again, don't worry about local pickup. Here's my total. I can enter my credit card number here. And if I use link, I can check that there and it will auto-populate. But again, our website does not take or save any of your credit card information. All right, we're going to agree again to the website terms and conditions, which are a little bit different than the terms and conditions of coming to our classes here. And then you would click place order, and it's as simple as that. You'll receive a receipt via email, and then once our staff takes a second to double check your registration, you'll get a confirmation email from us. All right, so thanks for using this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the main office, and I hope you have a great day.